Hello again, this is Professor Graham Jackson from Glyndŵr Business School in Wrexham. The last topic is taxation, which is important for small startup businesses and the benefits of using it. The explanation is the basis of understanding the UK's tax system as it applies to individuals and smaller companies. It's applied by HMRC. If you open your business as a sole trader or partnership, you need to understand how to complete income tax as an individual and how to submit your tax return in April. You may submit your tax return by yourself, income tax from self-employment. However, when you register your startup business as a limited company, your salary will be calculated as corporate salary and it is subject to corporation tax, not income tax. Hence, it may be helpful to ask for professional advice in the beginning from chartered accountants or management accountants. Taxation is not just obligatory payments. You can also claim certain exemptions and allowances from the different kinds of taxation such as VAT and corporation tax. For example, during COVID-19, many small businesses were helped by the government with programs such as the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme and other schemes. Apart from the above, you'll need to learn how to calculate the national insurance contribution, liabilities, the valid added tax when it applies, and the chargeable gains that could arise from disposal of investments or securities. Paying taxes shows your role in building the country's economy. In addition, you need to document and prove your tax return when you want any assistance from the government. For example, the tax relief for assistance from the government is there. There is a tax charter which you may use. The UK government uses taxes to encourage some activities by giving incentives and allowances and relief, and discourage certain activities by providing disincentives and tax duties or expenses. In the UK, tax administration and collection is carried out by Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, HMRC as it is known as, in which HMRC received legal advice from the Crown Prosecution Service, CPS, to conduct criminal prosecutions in relation to any investigations done by HMRC if they feel there has been a miscarriage of justice. By learning about taxation, you can perform tax planning and optimise the allowances, the relief you can gain, the exemptions you are available to you, so you'll be able to be more successful as an entrepreneur, as the government and HMRC are there to help you get along. Can you avoid paying tax, and what's the difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion? Tax avoidance means legally decreasing your taxable income. However, tax evasion is illegal. The distinction between tax evasion and tax avoidance is not clear-cut. Examples of tax evasion that you need to avoid include seeking to pay too little tax by misleading statements, or deliberately misleading the government in providing you the information or the deliberately false information. So, if you run your startup business by yourself as a sole trader, you'll need to calculate your income from all sources, namely your work income, non-saving, your savings income, your dividend income, and any other income that you get. The fiscal year for your tax assessment runs from April 6th to the following year, April the 5th, not January to December. In order to calculate your taxable income, your table of income, you need to look at various tax tables which contain the allowances and the tax rates which are current. These tax tables change every year as the government, in the case of the Council of Exchequer, produces annual allowances and tax rates. Table 2. So, look at Table 2. Accordingly, it is always a good idea to view the government's website regularly and keep up to date.